Yeah, I'm up so far $728 on this combine. XFA won't touch it today. I'm gonna lock it up. Made my money. I'm good. There's no reason me to trade XFA on a high impact day like today. But willing to play XFA. Yeah, Trump is gonna speak during the New York Open. Don't know what he has to say, but of course I'm trading today, Lucas. I'm gonna trade my combine today. Let's just put it that way. That that I would do. It's kind of a good thing we got Trump at 6:30 market open because he gonna bring some volatility to the market. So it's usually FOMC. First minute, first like half an hour open, we get some action, and then it just dies out, fizzles out, and just chop all the way to 11 o'clock, and then you get some action there, and then 11:30 is when the press happens. Then it's just crazy action, volatility comes in. But because we all get Trump early, and he's talking about Iran, so yeah, it's could be something good here. He might pump the market early. Crude oil dropped down to 75.86 futures. When the oil was to play. Golly. Trading view was acting up. Trading view is not acting up too. Everything's acting up. Rolled it up again. On to my YouTubers. There we go. Look for this chart. There we go. There's a slight gap up. QQQ. Spy. Spy actually filled this gap. QQQ has not filled the gap. Small gap up. Gap fill. Let's see. The gap fill will be below the Asia low. Where's that level that I said I liked? I forgot. I think that was could be a major bounce. We breached that level. Okay, right here. The weekly high near here. Weekly high and here. So almost around 30,000. This is where we gap up on that news. The uh the peace deal, potential peace deal that's gonna be signed this Friday, which is on Sunday. That's where I'm very interested. For possible long, if we ever have to sell off down there, we might see some long buyers here. If if the Fed comes up like hawkish, meaning that he's bearish, meaning the way he speaks and stuff like that, then yes, market's gonna sell off. But if he's standing around neutral to dovish, dovish meaning he's bullish, um, market's gonna probably see continue to rally and strengthen into this. I don't see this period as anything else but based on rates. As once Friday comes in, we get that signature, peace deal done. Market will be highly focused on interest rates and monetary policy. So that's gonna be very important moving forward. So the market's gonna not see the straight line up. Although I think we do see new highs for the year, we're gonna see a lot of turbulence based on monetary policy. Like Kevin Walsh has a lot to do. Stop T, stop fuck. Oh my god. Nothing like FOMC, right?
What up, man? Tired today, huh?
Yeah. Oh man. I've been trying like new devices to help me not snore because my lady's complaining about it. I I have a problem with snoring nowadays. I guess you sleep with your mouth open. I guess, and then I was just snoring. Oh, about this like the device like a strap thing, a strap you strap your chin up and everything. I don't know if it worked. My lady said no, it didn't work. I was like fuck. You know what? I'm gonna get her a fucking some earpiece. No, she never have to hear it. Oh my god.
Try to sleep upright a little bit, like tilt yourself upright a little bit.
Yeah, I try that. Just the way my posture is just uncomfortable. I don't know, but I get what you're saying. I usually try to do that when my allergies goes bad. I can't I have like sniffy nose and stuff nose. I would do that, but yeah, I'm trying everything. I'm gonna try to get this sleep tape too. They said it's a sleep tape that's also tape your mouth kind of shut when you're sleeping. If that don't work, I'm gonna kick her out the room. How about that? All right, market open. Morgan Sniper. Remember, we got Trump 6:30 talking about Iran. So yeah, maybe some more good news on Iran. Maybe more clarity on the MOU agreement. Uh, Look, he wants to get this done. It doesn't matter what the cost right now. He just wants this done. He knows it. His party knows it. Can't no longer drag it on. The market can't see this thing drag on some more. Everybody want to see this done. Traders, people, civilian, fucking everybody. Wow. Strong open from Hood. SpaceX still out his rocket ship. Going higher. Oh, healthcare, nice bounce. Oh, bears open for Meta. Meta under 600 right now. Apple broke out of 300 and just came back down. Amazon bears open. XOK bears open. SMH bears open. Google bullish open. Tesla bullish open. Nvidia bearish open. It's gonna be hard to play this because top is supposed to be up. Shit. Let's see how SPY is doing. Selling off here. Oh man, is is it trying to fill that gap? QQQ look like a gap fill coming. Gap fill would be that Asia low. And let me know if you guys hear any news. Because Trump is supposed to be talking with about Iran. So you guys hear anything? Let me know. Oil slightly up a little bit here, 76, but nothing threatening. This is the London low here. Mark that. If you guys ever watch like Top Step TV, if you guys have Top Step, if you guys don't even have to have Top Step account, but you can log in YouTube. If you guys trade Asia session and stuff like that, I think Dakota is one of the best trader, for that program, and he usually have some good advice and or some winning trades. So if you guys ever trade Asia session, want to follow somebody, Dakota's the guy, man. That's the only guy I trust on that whole damn program. Um, One of the best trade I know. And he has the slow session, slow markets, which is the Asia Globex session. He has really good win rates in those sessions. All right, we got a orb high, orb low. Nothing complicated, right? Orb high, orb low. When like the orb is so close to next to another level, or like London low or something like that, I'll tend to just pay attention to that more, London low, and treat it like an orb low. Like meaning I want to see a break of London low as a meaningful break instead of an orb low break, and looking at that as anything meaningful. Right, a structure change will probably be the London low break, not the orb low. Nothing up here, so yeah, nothing new. You might be able to probably pull that event out on YouTube. Not sure. Most of his press conference and stuff like that is on YouTube live. Yeah, let me find it. All right. At G7 one day ago. This one says that. Yeah. This was looking bearish here, guys. Looking bearish here. You go. We're just selling off here. Look. So yeah, it looked like it wants a gap fill, guys. I'm not gonna lie here. It might just do a gap fill. Reject here overflow. I think I'm just gonna take a short. Wait for this candle print.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take this here and looking for the gap fill. My stop's gonna be at 454. My entry's at 400. I'm short here. Stop is at 5, no, 454, and TP's at 308. Is this one of those first traded terrible trade again, Lucas? 'Cause now I'm starting to believe it. If it gets stopped out here, I'm starting to believe it. Look what you started making me thinking now. All right, nothing much going on there. Something's not speaking yet. Oh, you bastard! I'm cursed with the first tray. First tray, stop out. No, not yet, but most likely will.
Order filled.
Yeah, stop out. All right, first tray, stopped out. Oh, what a reversal. Still thinking short though. Still leaning short. This could be the orb reverse. The gap is so small. I think it wants to fill it though. There is a square gap here. I guess you want to call it. Oh, that's nice. Really bought that up. IWM is so strong. Wow. Small cap. I pump. Still leaning short though. Just to see if XLK. I should have. I should look at that. I didn't. My fault. XLK is with a nice bullish candle there. So is SMH. Okay, never mind. Not looking at short anymore. Oh yeah, this this look like a long. This look like a long, guys. Wow, we're very bullish candle from everything else. I'm going long.
Order filled.
I'm not even gonna wait for that one. I'm going long. It's just such a bullish candle from SMH. Next, okay, like a big pump. We might even pump past the London high here. Okay, I'm in long. Long at 503. Y stops gonna be at 438. EP is gonna be at 624. I'll tighten the stop up as soon as we get next candle up. I'm tightening up to 454 for this last candle here. I need to see a run first, though. I need to see some run up there. I'm gonna break out of orb high. This is a strong candle from SMH and XOK. Very strong candle break. There we go. Breaking out of orb high here. This is the second trade, Lucas. This is probably the golden one. Oh yeah, this is fucking strong. Go for it. Go for it. uh, Good stuff. Yeah, you gotta protect yourself when days like this. FOMC. I already lock up my account, my XFA. So I'm not messing around. Am I? Sure. Why not? Oh, my nasty reverse right now. Come on. You played the old reverse again? You gotta be. Oh yeah, you did. You did, Hutty. I don't know how you do that, man. You see the old reverse come in so fast. Like I don't. You're good, bro. I don't know what give you the confidence every single time the over's gonna reverse. The wick? Huh. Well, I'm getting the reverse right now too. Don't do that. There's a little bit selling off of SMH and XOK right now. the Meg 7 selling off a little bit too. This might be the choppiness. Damn. This reversed all the way to my stop. I gave it a wide stop too, so this would suck. Hopefully it's just a pullback and then rip. Yeah, this is just a riskier approach of playing orb, right? Because technically I shouldn't be in any trade yet because we didn't get a real break of orb low, a real break of orb high and retest. But all of this right here is risky. I'm trading off of confluence of XLK and SMH when it was running up, and it kind of got up a little bit, and now it's just selling off. So it's still a very bullish candle from those two. The last candle, the 5 minute. So I'm hoping those kind of doesn't get taken out. Then yeah, my buys will flip if it does. Good Lord, have mercy, have mercy. Okay, yeah, my buy is about to change to SMH is getting taken out. The whole candle about to flip. Yeah, it needs to flip. If we're gonna get a bounce here, done. It's so close. Okay, there we go. There's some hope. Oh shit.
Order filled.
Oh, guess not. Well, 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Not looking good. All right, I stopped out. That's 2 for 2. It really got this ugliness. Ugly. Probably gonna stop me now. Now it's probably gonna go back long. Watch. Yeah, fuck this. This is stupid. I'm going back long.
Order filled.
Back and long at 478. Stops that candle low, but probably gonna get stopped out earlier than that because my drawdown. Nvidia looked like it's doing good here. Nvidia been stuck. I'm gonna try to look like a breakout for Nvidia. I'm gonna go long on Nvidia calls. Look for at least 210. Yeah, 210 looks good. Come on. All right, I got 210 NVIDIA's call for 0 DTE. It filled? Come on, it didn't fill. But there we go, it filled. All right, let's go NVIDIA. Make me some money today. Nasty. All right, this combine might get blown today. It's putting me to work. 3 out of 3 today? Yeah, I'm out. 3 for 3. Oh, oh, I still have hope. Come on, Trump. Come out, pump the market. Man, everything's starting to look weak again. Vita selling off here too. Hmm. Yeah, not looking good. Don't see anything positive.
Order filled.
I just stop out. Yeah, things not looking good. I'm gonna close my Nvidia trade too. So, all right. Yeah, I'm just gonna be done with this today. 3 out of 3. Closed my DLL too already, so yeah, I get. Let me let me go buy some new combines. Selling off here now. Wow. All right, break or blow. Let's see a retest of London. Oh, we can probably get a short here. Broke up low. London low getting taken out. Let's get a retest and then eventually it's aiming for that gap fill here. Aim for that gap fill. Well, I wanted to earlier, but then this happened. Taking out buys and sell early. All right, new combine. Come on, retest. Give me a retest and a little short. Even a retest of London low rejection is still good.
Order filled.
I'm going for it. I'm short here. 369. Stops 415. Aiming for Asia low and previous day low. Things are selling off. Might as well go QQQ puts. My God. You kidding me? Let's see how fast my hands is. 2 puts. Damn. Pull back. Okay. Damn, the contracts are expensive right now. Even expensive for option because the FMC. Gap didn't feel yet. What the fuck? Oh no, Gap did feel. Shit. QQQ. You did get Gap feel. See, Gap feel continuation. Come on. Go for it. I'm going for it. QQQ put. Yeah, QQQ feel the gap. Come on. Bring it down. Yes. Bring it down. Yes, yes, yes. There we go. Knife it. Asia low right here. What a mess. Come on. Where's the follow through? I need that follow through. Come on. You made a new low. Take out Asia low. Bastards buying it back up here.
Trump live in France in about 45 minutes.
45 minutes? That's still a long time. Well, fucking market is. Alright, this looked like a reversal already. Failed there. Got bought up pretty hard. Still need overload, but that looks like a reversal so far. FOMC, man. Shit's choppy action. No, $7. Come on. Bring me home. Alright. I'm looking at exit now. It failed to make new lows. We're chopping here. I'm running out patient. Oh, come on. Get a sell candle. A weak candle for the buyer. Really starting to test my patience though. Yeah. Yeah, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take this out because that short is really testing my patience. Just no follow through after that. All right, guys. I don't know. This is it. This market's FOMC is just wow, back and forth, back and forth. Still, still positive. Still positive. Still positive. Guess we can't go any lower. We're gonna chop right back up the middle. Watch. Yeah. QQQ puts probably bad now. Oh fucking of course. Of course. Why not?
Yo, Modi from India, I think is talking, but I think Trump's gonna be joining them pretty soon. So
Okay. Let's zoom out a little bit. 5 minutes. Good long as anything around here. I want to see just come down here, and then we can just play long after that. Like, but it's just like choppy. Look, the 5 minute indecision candle. We just got that's right there. Spinning top candle, indecision, wicks, both sides here on that 5 minute candle. Market doesn't know what to do. Well, welcome to the chop zone. I was bought it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. My QQQ put is dead. I'm gonna sell this too. You think we chop back up? Look like a break of trend. Back into the orb high. Very possible.
Order filled.
Let's go long. Let's just chop it to a London high. Long here at 438. Stop 363. See if we could chop around here or not. Just holding this baseline. Breaking out this trend. Hmm. Shit, shit with QQQ call. Pretty nasty price action now. SMH is looking for a push here, so it's XOK. Let's see if you can push back above the orb opening range for SMH and XOK. That would be a bullish push. Mag 7 need a bounce too here.
Very, very weak price action. It's like a stair step up and then elevator down. Move. Up, elevator down. Up, elevator down. Elevator up, elevator down. Like the sell candle is like more aggressive. The buyers are picking it up slowly. Just do it. Good momentum. There's good momentum. We're gonna push momentum.
Order filled.
Okay, let me get a little aggressive. I added 5 more. See if we can catch this momentum up. Looking to trim around here. Top sell. We hit on high. I'll sell 5. First trim at 528. Very close to my first trim here. Up sell 5. I'm gonna trail this up pretty tight. Getting close to the first sell order.
Order filled.
All right, sold 5 there. Now I'm gonna hang on to the rest. So there's 5. Throw this up. Charlie, stop up, take some profit. Lock in some profit. We're about to see if we can get a triple top or we're gonna break out. We're breaking out. Good. We're breaking out here or high. But this is where there were sellers, so let's see how strong this is. Looking pretty strong so far. But must be pumping the market. Looking pretty strong. So yeah, XOK now new high of day. SMH retested the high of day. Nvidia finally push. X7 participating a little bit here too, so possibly see higher. Let's see the London high. Man, hopefully you guys can break even off this trade. We had 2 bad losses earlier. A couple bad, 3 bad losses actually. 4 maybe. Lost count. Bad day. I think this is our first winning trade. Remember, we have some resistance here, but if we get strong enough, we can test the London high. Still buying momentum here. The 5-minute EMA just made a 1-9 cross here. Bullish upside. Pullbacks are expected here. Unless we get just a slight pullback and continuation, we good. No strong pullback. Come on. That's a strong pullback. Yeah, that candle is very strong. It better sell. Okay, good. If it can close above the orb high candle, I'm gonna add another 5 again. Nah, I'll take a stop out. Once you pull back, come up here, close here, and I'll add it. I'll add into it again. Only if it does that. If not, I don't want any piece of it. It looks like it wants to find its range here. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it wants to find its range. It just chop to this range. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
Just gonna take it out here. Oop. So I think it identified its range that it wants to be in here. Probably where we're gonna get the whole day now. Oh, knowing that, you can play the range. Yeah, it's like it's FOMC. You're gonna see this type of action. Misleading both ways, right? Think you get breakup from the orb, you're not. You think a breakdown, you're not. You think it's gonna get touch your London high, you're not. You think get Asia low, you won't. It's consolidating range. It's FOMC. It's expected. Based on that alone, we could probably could look too short maybe here. But since the move already ran, I don't want it. If we were to short up here with better risk to reward, but from here, maybe down London low again. They're actually decent, but you have to have a tight stop. Not bad, not bad here either. Not bad. That's nasty, dude. Oh, what's up, Chuck?
Nope, I got killed. Terrible start. Market does the opposite of everything I did this morning. One nice winning trade here, but nothing to celebrate about. Very much rangy. Yeah. Eh, Ooh, look at that sell off. Yep. It's just ranging there. Yeah. We can play the range too. Um, we just gonna play the range also. So look like a good range to buy is down here. I'll be a buyer there. Play this play this range. How is gold doing? Let me check. Gold, wow, gold rip. Damn. Gold would have been a fucking trade. Gold was the trade today. Damn it. Damn, gold was the trade today. A spy selling off beneath the orb now.
Trump speak after G7 summit. What? Play some music. Play some music. Maybe I should have taken that short. Fuck. Damn. Would have hit my TP. Maybe I should have taken that short. Mm. Oh yeah, smashed it. Good, have shorted. Should have shorted there. Okay. Yeah, I pretty much blew 3 combines. It was copy trades. All right, my XFA is alive. So I locked it up. That's what really matters. I could be like the cool kids. Once it gets a reversal here.
Order filled.
I'm looking for a reversal here. Come on. Little tight one. Almost a 1-1 here. See if we get a 1-1 here long. Kind of scalp this up. We got a 3 bar candle. Probably reversal. Yep, learn those things. High, 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 low, market structure. I just keep telling people, gotta learn the price action market structure. You read market a little bit better. Also, candlesticks. Understand candlestick strength, how it closes. All those matters. The more you trade, the more you start to understand and see. You know. Same reason why I took long here. You know, just because I see a trade. 3 candle bar reversal, apostle. We saw ranging, so I'm willing to take that range. London low swept. Came back up here. I'm trying long, but just scalp. You know. See if we get back. Wait. Wow.
Order filled.
That's news. I'm gonna eat that. That's news. Jump G7 conference. Hit. That was news, and just gonna have to eat it. Yeah. What did Trump say? Fuck. Well, what did Trump say, man? Oh, just fucking gapped the shit up too. Oh my god. Thanks, Trump. Oh, look at that.
He's not speaking live yet, I think.
Oh,
Not
well,
yet.
he just came on and shit just fucking tanked. What the fuck? No, he has something has to be said, man. What?
It might be Iran.
Iran probably said something. Crude oil inventory 730. No, that was not it. Yeah. Okay. Well, he hasn't speak yet. Shit just crashing. Fuck. They just knife, dude. Like oil and spike too. I mean, it's come back down here now. That is fucking gay. Damn. All right, let's see if this shit buys back. I'm gonna go long.
Order filled.
I'm gonna be dumb long here. Let's see if it buys back. I've been waiting the last trade for a day. I'm sticking around, getting tilted here. I want to see FOMC. I'll probably come back when it's close to FOMC just to see how it goes. But as far as trade, I'm probably gonna be done after this trade. We getting shit hammered by news and chop, you know. Trump get on and this thing is sold off hard. He's probably talking right now, huh? I'm assuming the G7 summit. Or maybe something from a G7 summit that sold off. No. Something spooked the market. Fucking oils. I'm trying to find it. Trump live search. All right, I found it. Let me mute this music. Let me turn them on. Oh, still G7 Summit. What the fuck? What channel is he on? I don't care about you, Marco Rubio. No. There we go.
The only conflict was a place called, I understand it, a little bit, people were, so they're gonna also question it.
Yeah, he's talking. Trump is talking now.
Lindsay is skeptic. I'll have to talk to Lindsay, he'll be in big trouble. Lindsay's good, he's not skeptical, he's just fine. Look, this agreement covers something very nicely.
No, yeah, I'm back in long.
Markets now are higher than they were when we
I think he's Trump is gonna pump the market back here.
2,500, maybe even more than that, points higher than it was when we said. Be amazing.
Yeah, pump it, Trump. Keep pumping it.
Disagreements about one thing.
Keep pumping it,
and
Trump.
never have it. Never, ever. The rest of it's irrelevant. Never thought of it, but I would. Wouldn't I? Democrats, we call them Democrats. The Democrats.
Where's my P&L line? It just disappeared.
Well, I'd like you to send it to Congress. say you
Top
shouldn't
is
approve it,
tripping,
and
bro.
approve it. Whatever
Yeah,
it is,
my
say
P&L and everything else just disappeared
it's not
for
what
some
you do
reason.
wrong.
There we go. Now it's back.
I never thought about that. I never even thought
Man,
about
tops
that.
are be glitching nowadays.
I mean, who
I was
wouldn't
like,
approve
what
it?
the fuck just happened?
Let's let them have a nuclear. The Democrats will say, oh, they should have a nuclear weapon. They'll go crazy. I like the idea. Send it to Congress. The attack that I watched with the fighters. He saw it too, by the way. Back home, beautiful palace. And they were as good a fights as I've seen. That's, but that last fight was brutal. And, that's one of the fights. It was all good. It was a great evening. It was very different from the White House. Wish you could have been there. They we built an incredible. Dana did a great. Well, we got away with it 150 years. Maybe in another 50, maybe in 300. Well, soon we'll be able to do that. The oil is now flowing. So we took sanctions off because obviously we're not looking at the oil. So we're in a position to do that soon. A nice looking person. Is he from your country? Is he from your country? He's got such a nice way. So mean. Put him in a movie right now. Go ahead. a United States with a strong president. It's the only way you can do it. Agreements for bad people don't mean anything. Look, we were the ones that blockaded the sheet. They blockaded it. We then said, look, we blockaded it for them, so they didn't get it. You're going to need to. It's true with a lot of things. If you have a strong president in the United States, you know they're better than anybody. Better than anybody. Yeah, we'll take it. What's happening is at appropriate time. There's no rush. We have cameras from space on it. Everybody goes there, which is like nobody. The B-2 bombers hit it. The entire mountain at it. Very tough excavation.
Oh God.
We're in no rush. Get it. And get it. We'll just beautiful. Leaving in the afternoon. The French president invited me to dinner. Versailles is done. We'll leave. Versailles. Get home later in the evening, meaning early in the morning. Or anyway, often. I won't lose any time. Say this, our country is doing really. You're going to see prices. You know what I took over?
I don't like how Nvidia and Meg 7 is like not rallying here. So
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna cut this trade early.
When the fuel going down, yours fuel so good. Fuel.
Yeah. I need to see some strength out of the Mag 7. I don't see it. At least a bottom somewhere.
Station. Generally. 85.
Trump is done talking. Nothing substantial out of all that. Nothing new. So maybe market could resume. It's out of fucking sold off of what? It just
Ranger offers over in high-quality products, from motors and belts to switches and sensors. Maintenance engineers keep production line.
oh, okay.
For the ones
I got it.
get it done.
It's all about the signing of the peace deal because
Union Station was welcome.
or over all this because they're thinking Trump and them was backing out of the signing agreement, but no, he's saying that they're possibly going to just sign it at a remote area instead of Switzerland.
Order filled.
I think Mark got spooked off that, and then it just stopped thinking the deal is off. That was the case. See if it could. If that's the case, let's see if it could rally. Because he clarified that he said that Trump and Pence would probably sign that deal remotely. I don't know what that means, but the deal is gonna get signed. Then we got an hour lunchtime chop, and then after that, 11 o'clock, FOMC rates, and then the big events is 11:30. Let's hopefully we get a range bound back up here. We'll range bound today. Let's just range bound here. Get something like that would be good. We can just play the range. Nvidia and Google better stop selling off though. Apple's still selling off. Like they need to see a bottom soon. Not helping the cause here. Come on. Get a bounce. Mag 7. Google 360. Is that are you gonna bottom there, Google? $361. Jesus, Nvidia's selling off still. Apple's making a new low. Meta making a new low. Amazon about to make new low. All bottom on Google. So you can buy this up from here. Google. Google call. All right, 365. Google call. Down to the bottom here, 365. Look for a 366. Call TP there. Damn, 366. I'll sell it for $2.30. Two at $2.50. See, we got a good bottom here. Come on, pick it up. Play some music.
Spread Berry Blast is here with berry flavors and foam striped from McDonald's just one of the many nutrients.
All right, I'll be back. I'm gonna go get some food. Bing. Having down. All right, possible reversal from Google here. Possible reversal from Nvidia. Looking a little bit more positive here. Even Meta get a bid here. Apple also same thing. This could be the start of it. Yep, nice stick from Nvidia. There we go. Here we go. Oh, nice. Meta. Apple, please.
Order filled.
Apple, please. Big Papa. Stop. Yeah. Yeah. Add fives. Lower my target here. Seeing some strength in the Mag 7 finally, so adding here. Get the old thing back. Would like to see this structure break. And then we can challenge this structure here. That's 435. I'd like to see that taken out. Google, Amazon, Meta, they all was catching bids here. Moving back. Come on. Want to see. 435. Come on, don't break above it. Break above it. Don't wick there. Don't wick there. Dirty. Yeah, strong close above it. All right, up 20% on Nvidia on the Google call. Up 24%. Come on, Google. Google, Apple making a little strong little push here. Going up. All right. 433. Let's close above it. Bump, 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 bump. I'm gonna trim here.
Order filled.
There we go. We'll trail this up here.
You can really buy that car on an auto trader? You can really buy the car totally online.
And really have it delivered by a dealership.
Really?
I'm gonna trail this up here. Hopefully this closes
No,
above
it's our new car. Buy your car
435,
online on
so we can see
Really?
we see a break of
Just
463,
a wild-
and then we can test that the orb
Where
high
do you
again.
check the zoning? Vince? Added a contingency.
Hold here. If
Okay,
not,
need it?
I'm out.
Order filled.
I'll do it
All right,
here.
completely out there. Still good. It's good trade there.
Once it's back on.
$600. I wanted to see this structure hold. That's a good sell off. If it come back and close above 435, I'll probably hop back in.
And to save the world.
Yeah, so with XFA, I size down. I never size up XFA. In combines and stuff, I'll take the little more aggressive approach at times. But not on XFA. XFA I trade with a very small size. On a 50K account, probably max size is 3 cons. Depending how we close here, I might want to add into this back in. I like to see the I like to see 435 gets hold. That's a strong support. Yep, soon enough. Oh, what's up, Don? So today you're gonna see a lot of divergence. It won't mean a thing because it's FOMC. FOMC, most of the tech doesn't mean shit. So just be aware of that. You're gonna see a lot of bullshit. But QQQ and SPY really just trading the same way right now. I don't see much of a divergence. Gold's on the rip still. Gold looking really bullish, man. After the sell off, gold's running. Gold small caps. Small cap doing well too. Yeah, Don. It's FOMC. So today's like one of those events where you can get a bunch of divergence from markets, which don't mean nothing. Oh. Oh my god, damn. I'm cruise. Bottom. I'm gonna trade one more day tomorrow on my fund account, and I'll probably request a payout. I'll take half of that. I could request a payout right now for about $800, but I was just gonna leave me with $800 left. It's a very small cushion to work with. I would be happy to trade probably 1 micros a day. Build that up. I'll wait one more day tomorrow. On window, damn, and cruise. And then focus on, I'm put that money back into combines. Hopefully I get some more combine pass. I'm gonna go a little bit more aggressive on this combines. Pass it. Hop into the border. Georgia. Every little small bounce from like the Mag 7 is just getting sold off. I want to see a continuation after that, but if not, even that Google looks good, like a good bounce there, but now it's just getting sold off. can't even break the 21 EMAs. That's just bearish action. Like in a 5-minute candle here, we can also see that. Expecting that 21. It can't break above the 21 yet. Like, come on. Weak, 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 weak. Yeah, I mean, I kind of warned you guys. Yeah, it's FOMC. Like, it's the warning you guys yesterday. If you guys don't feel comfortable, just don't trade today. Today is not the day. I live on the edge a little bit. I trade these kind of events on combines, but on XFA, you saw me lock it up. I'm not gonna touch XFA today. Just not gonna do it. But combine, I'll risk it. I'll risk any day. Yeah, FOMC just it just chops you up back and forth. If you can identify the range early, then you're golden, obviously. But hindsight, right here, right? Hindsight. Triple top right there. We crossed along here. If we were short there, then some fake news right there, sold off, and brought it back a little bit. Now we're just chopping here. Look at those wicks on this 1 minute candle. Just a bunch of undecision candles. Well, now we're heading towards the lunchtime hour, which is in another 30 minutes or so. Most of this candle right now is just spinning top. That means the undecision, right? We got wicks on both sides. When you have candles like that, it just marks as indecision. Yep. So understand candlesticks. One very important key factor when it comes to trading is understanding the candlesticks. It will tell you, like, the market, what it wants to do, what it doesn't want to do at the time in the moment, right? Like right here, you can tell it just doesn't know what to do. It's just inconsistent. Wicks both sides. So in 1 minute, 5 minute, you can see it. And then you look at the structure wise, we still just range, right? Now we're in like smack middle of that range, more if anything. So that's why you can see inconsistency stuck in between. They don't know which way to go. Yeah. I mean, you can always like zoom out to the higher time frame and then take a trade through the high time frame for your buys and then go back into a low time frame for your entry. That's what most people do. You know, if you trade if you're looking at the 15-minute to chart, then you're looking at the 5 minutes for entry. If you go on 5 minutes for charting, you're looking at 1 minute for entry. Mm-hmm. All right. Well, this is Top City. Well, nothing probably happens here. It's gonna lock this one up too. 600 is fine. And I'll see you guys. Well, 11 o'clock. That's the FOMC, my time. And then 11:30 is when the press conference comes on, and I'll catch you guys back on live at that time just to see how things are. But I'm pretty much done with the trading aspect of it. I'm not going to trade an FOMC event. It's just volatile, but I want to understand and see how it moves so I could prepare myself for the next day. All right, I'll be back when that time. I want to get some breakfast. A lot of people on YouTube, I'll probably be back to at that time at 11 to 11:30. All right, see you guys then.